Hi, here is the Pentax Zoom 60 overall conditions. And here's the battery compartment. It's using one CIP2 battery. Okay, next thing, by pulling this button to open the back cover. Inside be like this, and here's the film. For the film, to slide from the top to the bottom, make sure that the motor have fit into the center part of the canister. Just put like this. Okay, put a film tip to here like that. Make sure your film is flat, and we just close it. Okay, wait a moment. By switching this button to on it. Okay, when it's successfully loaded successfully, here will show figure 1, which means that now we can start shooting. You can switch to here is the center point, then you switch to another side is macro mode. Here is the shutter, and here's the zoom function. Zoom in, zoom out, shutter, viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, at the center point here got a bracket, so you just use that bracket to aim and half press your shutter. Okay, if it blink like this, which means that it can't focus because it's too near or something, so we adjust a bit. Okay, like that. Okay, wait, I'm far a bit. Okay, like that means it's okay. It's okay means it will light up. Okay, then the bottom here means that it will trigger the flash like that. Okay, then macro mode is that you will zoom to the max, so you can allow to shoot nearer. Okay, normal one is like this. Okay, then by clicking this is like the flash mode lah. This one is like force flash for backlight use or something lah. Okay, this one is like normal setting. Okay, so the function is quite easy lah. Okay, just like these two. Then about the date, it has the date in printing, so when you want to adjust it, you click the select button first. Okay, then it will blink, then we just click the adjust to adjust the date, the year lah. Okay, unfortunately the year is until 2019 only, so you can just ignore it. Well, if you want, you can change the mode to like maybe the date and the time, adjust by yourself lah. Or if you don't want, then you just put it like this. So the overall is like this, and if you didn't use it, switch here to off it like that. And here's the overall function, and hope you enjoy it.